How y'all doing? This is normally how they did it back then, except for I got these loaded 6 instead of 5. Remington, Colt. Now, it's the Colt. Me personally, I think the Colt's better for cleaning. I'm not saying easier to load, but it's all the same except for putting the caps on. I think the Colt's easier. Remington. To clean this one, you need a screwdriver. That's not normal for a military weapon, but there goes our female duck. But you gotta take, to clean this thing, you gotta take this and pull it out. Now, I do believe one of these Remingtons are not gonna fire. Now I'm gonna get close. If you notice, I do need to replace the caps on this. So this is almost unfair, whatever you wanna call it, challenge, whatever. But we're gonna try to do some accuracy tests with this. I got a gallon jug to the left and the black dot. I got a gallon jug to the right and the black dot. Remington's gonna be to the left, Colt to the right. Let's see what happens. I do believe one of these are not gonna go off. We'll see what happens. Never load these like this. I got a cross cylinders and the hammer forward in between the cylinders. You really should not do this. You should load it 5 only and leave a cylinder empty. So here we go. Black dot first. I'm gonna try to take my time here. It's gonna be a long video. Jug. Nope, that did not go off. I knew one of them wasn't going off. All right, here we go. Try it again. Jug. I think I hit it. Back on the black dot. Nice, nice groove. Ooh, 2 didn't go off. That's not good. Okay, this weapon now is kind of dangerous. I'm just going to keep it down range. We're going to go back on, we're going to do the Colt now. Not a bad group what I did for the Remington there. Black dot first with the Colt. By the way, the hammer's easier to operate on this thing. Gallon jug, and I'm going to have to go up there and reposition that. Everybody stay there. That was actually a very, very bad shot. See what happens again with this black dot. Black dot again. Right back on it. It ain't hitting, I don't know why. There it did. Okay, before we walk up, putting this one down on the ground that way. Follow me, dude. All right, let's start with damage. Colt. They both shoot the exact same bullet. Remington. Now, this is where my Colt has a problem. 1, 2, 3. Very accurate. Very, very accurate. I didn't know there was a accuracy issue between the two, but I only got one on the Colt. Now, should we consider my shooting skills? I don't know. Look at the group I got with the Remington. Now, I loaded both of them the exact same amount of grains of powder. Hats off to the Remington. Now, it did have issues with not firing, but I knew that was going to happen because it was a dirty cylinder. And I do need to replace the nipples. But, proof's in the pudding. Remington, bye.